Hello everyone, and welcome to today's chemistry lesson. In this video, we're going to learn how to balance redox equations using the oxidation number method. This is an essential skill for anyone studying chemistry. We'll be working through a specific example to make it easy for beginners to understand. So, let's get started. Example, Cu plus HNO3 Cu NO3 2 plus NO2 plus H2O. Step 1. Assign oxidation numbers. First, we'll assign oxidation numbers to each element in the equation. Remember that oxidation numbers help us keep track of the changes in the oxidation states of the elements. Here are the oxidation numbers for our example. Cu 0 in its elemental form. H plus 1. N plus 5 in nitric acid HNO3. O minus 2. Now, let's write down the equation with the oxidation numbers. 0 Cu plus 1 H plus 5 N plus 3 minus 2 O plus 2 Cu plus 2 plus 1 N plus 6 minus 2 O plus 4 N plus 2 minus 2 O plus 1 H plus 2 minus 2 O. Step 2. Identify the oxidation and reduction half reactions. In a redox reaction, one or more elements get oxidized, and one or more elements get reduced. Oxidation is an increase in oxidation number, and reduction is a decrease in oxidation number. In our example, Cu gets oxidized from 0 to plus 2. N gets reduced from plus 5 to plus 4 in NO2. So, we have two half reactions. 1. Oxidation half reaction, Cu2 plus. 2. Reduction half reaction, HNO3 NO2 plus H2O. Step 3. Balance each half reaction. We need to balance each half reaction for atoms and charges. Let's start with the oxidation half reaction. Cu2 plus, already balanced. Now, let's balance the reduction half reaction. Balance the N atoms, HNO3 NO2. Balance the O atoms by adding H2O, HNO3 NO2 plus H2O. Balance the H atoms by adding H plus, HNO3 plus 2H plus NO2 plus H2O. Step 4. Equalize the total electrons in both half reactions. In the oxidation half reaction, 2 electrons are lost, Cu2 plus 2e, and in the reduction half reaction, 1 electron is gained, HNO3 plus 2H plus E NO2 plus H2O. To equalize the total electrons, we'll multiply the reduction half reaction by 2. 2 HNO3 plus 2H plus E, 2 NO2 plus H2O. Step 5. Add the balanced half reactions and simplify. Finally, let's add the balanced half reactions and simplify. Cu plus 2 HNO3 plus 4H plus Cu2 plus 2 NO2 plus 2 H2O. Now, we can cancel out the common terms. Cu plus 2 HNO3 CuNO3 2 plus 2 NO2 plus H2O. And there you have it. Our balanced redox equation. Conclusion. In this video, we've learned how to balance redox equations using the oxidation number method. This method involves assigning oxidation numbers, identifying the